Okay, let's go to the question 2. Print. Question 2. Print. Ask user for their name, birthday, and country information and print this information in the screen. For this one, we need to use this input function. Okay, let's say file again, new file, question 0.2, and here we are saying here print.py. I'm using this question name, also the header for a file name. Okay, I need to there's three information: name, birthday, and country. Yeah, these are my variable. First is name, then I can ask input. Please enter your name. It's here. Then birthday. Okay. Again, I can say input. Please enter your birthday. Then last country. Okay, I can say that please enter your country. To make okay, and then I can write name, and string birthday, and birthday, and then country, and country. Okay, let me run it. It is running. It is asking my name. Let's say Attila, birthday 1977, then country. Okay, and it is writing name Attila, birthday, and country. And since this the entrance starts from after this one, putting this double comma space will be better for, let's say, aesthetic purposes. And instead of this one, we can also use this okay, this f string uh, for information here. Your name is name you were born in, birthday, and you are from country. This f strings, you may remember, it is creating this string and putting these variable names in it. Okay, let's run it again. Attila 1977, and here, and your name is Attila, you have born in 1977, and you are from Turkey.